Welcome to Maratha Vidya Prasara Samajas KRT Arts BH Commerce AM Science KTHM College Nasik. Myself Sampar Demse working as Associate Professor in Department of Electronic Science. Dear student, we started Chapter 2 Instruction Set. In previous video lecture, we saw Arithmetic Instruction Set, Data Transfer Instruction Set. Now, in today's video lecture, we are going to start Logical Instruction Set Part 1 and the instructions related with Logical AND Gate. Savitribai Phule Pune University prescribed the syllabus for Microcontrollers Learning EL332. We finish Unit 1 Microcontroller Architecture. Now we started Instruction Set Unit 2, and in that we saw a different group of instruction, data transfer and arithmetic. Today we are going to discuss logical operations, logical instruction. Every instruction consists of operation code, field, address of operand field and address of second operand field. The instructions are classified according to these fields in 5 groups: data transfer instruction, arithmetic instruction, logical instruction, bit oriented instruction, branch instructions. Let us start with logical instructions. Logical instructions are operations like AND, OR, XOR, NOT, rotate, clear and swap. Logical instructions are performed by bytes of data on a bit by bit basis. Mnemonics associated with logical instructions are as follows. For logical operations, logical ANDing ANL, logical ORing ORL, XORing XRL. These are the basic logical operations. Clear CLR, complement CPL, rotate left with carry, rotate right with carry and swap. So these are the mnemonics used in logical operation. Let us discuss first instruction ANL, logical ANDing, destination comma source. Destination always equal to destination logical ANDing with source. This instruction perform logical AND on 2 operands and place the result in destination. Destination is normally accumulator. Source operand can be a register content, memory content or immediate data content. The ANL, logical ANDing instruction for byte size operation has no effect on any flags, means flags are not affected of program status word register. ANL instruction is often used to mask set bit to 0 certain bits of the an operand. So this is a symbol of AND gate. A and B input, Y will be A into B, multiplication of these 2 inputs. So this is a truth table, shows the truth values of input and output. So this is A and B input and Y as a output. So when both inputs are 0, output will be 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, output also 0. A is 0 and B is 1, then also output 0. So when both inputs are 1, output will be 1. So we define AND gate as any one input as 0, output will be 0. So this gives the following table or show the result of following mnemonics or instructions. Suppose we are having the program like this: MOV A, immediate data EAH. EAH immediate data load in accumulator. So accumulator having EAH. B register having ABH. Okay, and when we execute ANL A comma B, then this gives us the accumulator will be the content of accumulator logically ANDing with B. It is like this. This is the AND gate, A input, B input. When both are 0 0 0 1, both are 0 1, then output will be 0. Any one input is 0, output will be 0. When both 1, output will be 1. When both 0, output will be 0. When both 1, output will be 1. When both 0, output will be 0. 1, then 1 0, output will be 0. And 1 1, output will be 1. So our output will be in a binary form. It is like this. In hexadecimal group of 4, that gives us AH. So 1 0 1 0 is A, 1 0 1 0 is A. So in accumulator, result will be AH. So like this logical ANDing operation performed. The following table shows the possible mnemonics of logical AND gate instruction. So this is the mnemonics instruction, meaning description and operation code, which addressing mode this instruction belongs, number of bytes and flags. ANL A comma ANL internal RAM address comma A. The content of accumulator and content of random access memory logically ANDing, and result is stored in random access memory whose address is given by internal RAM address byte. This instruction is having operation code 5 direct addressing 2 byte needs, no flags are affected. ANL IRAM address comma immediate data, so hash data, immediate data is logically ANDing with the content of random access memory whose address is given by this internal RAM address byte, and result is stored in random access memory whose address is given by direct byte. This is the instruction having operation code 53H, and it is immediate addressing 3 byte instruction, flags are not changed. ANL A comma immediate data, the content of immediate data and the content of accumulator logically ANDing, and result is stored in accumulator register. 54 is the operation code, immediate addressing 2 byte instruction, no flags are affected. ANL A comma internal RAM address, internal RAM address byte content is logically ANDing with accumulator, result is stored in accumulator register. 55 is the operation code of this instruction. This is a direct instruction and 2 byte needs addressing instruction, 2 byte need to store this instruction, none of the flags are affected. ANL A comma @R0, the content of random access memory whose address is given by R0 register indirectly, that content and accumulator content logically ANDing, and result is stored in accumulator register. 56 is the operation code of this. This is an indirect addressing instruction, 1 byte instruction, no flags are affected. ANL A comma @R0, the content of random access memory whose address is pointed by indirectly pointed by RI, that means R1 register, and that content is logically ANDing with accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. This is the having operation code 57H, indirect addressing, 1 byte instruction, and no flags are affected. ANL A comma R0, the content of accumulator and the content of general purpose register R0 logically ANDing, and result is stored in accumulator register, having 58H as the operation code. This is a register addressing 1 byte instruction. Flags are not affected. And this is similar for other also. ANL A, R1, the content of general purpose register. R1 logically ANDing with accumulator. Result is stored in accumulator. 59 is the operation code. Register addressing 1 byte instruction. Flags are not affected. This is ANL A, R2, content of general purpose register R2, logically ANDing with content of accumulator. Result is stored in accumulator register. 5AH is the operation code. Register addressing 1 byte instruction. No flags are affected. Similarly for others, at the last, the ANL A, R7, the content of general purpose register R7, logically ANDing with the content of accumulator. Result is stored in accumulator register. The flags are affected, not affected. The operation code is 5F, register addressing 1 byte instruction. No flags are affected. Similarly, others. Let us discuss the instructions in detail. First instruction, ANL internal RAM address, accumulator. Logical ANDing operation between internal RAM memory content and accumulator register. Description of this instruction. This instruction will perform logical AND operations between the content of accumulator and the content of internal RAM, whose address is given by internal RAM byte along with the instruction. After execution, the result is stored in random access memory, whose address is given by internal RAM byte address, and content of accumulators not affected. This instructions is like this. The mnemonics for this instruction, ANL internal RAM address, A. The description is like this. Content of accumulator logically ANDing with content of random access memory, whose address is given by internal RAM byte, and result is stored in random access memory, whose address is given by again internal RAM address. This instruction having operation code 52, direct addressing mode instruction, 2 byte needs to store this instruction. Flags are not affected. So this instruction having mnemonic, suppose ANL 78, A. So 78 is the internal RAM address and content of accumulator logically ANDing. Before execution, this instruction stored in program memory for the execution. So this address will be 0000H52. This is operation code and the content of internal RAM address. So that is 0001. So the program counter gives the address of next instruction, and that address is 00002H, content of program counter register. Now the accumulator having, suppose the content 1EH, the PSW register, that is program status word register, and the content of data memory, that is the random access memory, 128 bytes, having this address 78H, and this address having the content ABH. So this ABH and 1EH logical ANDing operation take place. So here the content of accumulator, as we see here, this is in hexadecimal, this is in binary format, 0001 1110, and the random access memory whose address is 78H, that content is, that is AB. A means 1010 in binary format and B means 1011. So these two get logically ANDing. This operation after execution, logical AND operation is like this: 0 1, output will be 0, 1 1, this is 1 1, output will be 1, and 1 0, output will be 0, 1 1, output will be 1, 1 0, output will be 0, then 0 1, output will be 0, 0 0, output will be 0, 1 0, output will be 0. And now this gives us in binary like this 0 0 0, this is a binary in hexadecimal 0, 1 0 1 0, again this is A. So 0AH is the content of random access memory whose address is given by 78H. So if you observe, this will give us, this is the 78H having 0AH content. This is random access memory. Other things will be as it is, no flags are affected, means no change in flag register. Content of accumulator remains as it is. Only the content of a random access memory 78H having the result 0AH. In this way this instruction perform. ANL internal RAM address comma hash data, logical and operation between the content of random access memory and immediate data. Description: this instruction will perform a logical and operation between the content of internal random access memory whose address is directly given by internal RAM address byte. After execution, result will be stored in random access memory whose address is given by internal RAM byte. So this is the mnemonics description, operation code, and addressing mode. So this instruction having mnemonics ANL internal RAM address comma hash data, immediate data and internal random access memory contain logically ANDing, and result is stored in random access memory whose address is given by internal RAM address byte. 53 is the operation code of this instruction. Immediate addressing 3-byte instruction, flags are not changed. This instruction having mnemonics like this. Suppose we are having ANL 78 comma hash 66H. So 66H and the content of random access memory, that is 78H content, they are logically ANDing, and result is stored in random access memory whose address is given by 78H. So this instruction stored in program memory with operation code 53 and immediate data. 2 memory locations required, so that is why this instructions is like this. Again 00002 is the address of program counter register, and this instruction will be executed after this. Now if you observe 78H having the content, that is suppose A6H, and we are not using here accumulator, so random access memory content is 78H, that is 1AH, and the immediate data is 66H. So this 66H and 1AH content, they are logically ANDing, and it will be after execution the operation will be like this: 0 0, output will be 0, 1 1, output will be 1, 1 0, output will be 0, 1 0, output will be 0, 1 0, output will be 0, 0 1, output is 0, 0 1, output is 0, and 0 0, output will be 0. So if you observe, so this is the 0 2 is the output after logical ANDing of 1AH content with 66H content, and result will be stored in random access memory like this. So here if you observe, this no flags are affected. 0 2 will be the content of random access memory of address 78H. Only this content get changed, other things remains as it is. So this is the execution of logical ANDing internal RAM address comma hash data. ANL A comma third instruction hash a data. The content of immediate data and the content of accumulator logically ANDing. So logical AND operation between the content of accumulator and immediate data. This instruction will perform the logical AND operation between the content of accumulator and the immediate data byte. After execution, result is stored in accumulator. So this is the instruction having mnemonics ANL A comma hash data. The content of accumulator will be the content of accumulator logical ANDing with immediate data value. So this instruction having the operation code 54H, immediate instruction, 2 byte instruction, flags are not affected. So this instruction having ANL A comma 76H. Before execution, this address, that is this operation code stored in memory, program memory address, that is 000H, that is 54, and 76 is the immediate data. So this need one memory location, so 2 memory location for this instruction, so 2 byte instruction, and the program counter register having the content 0002H, and these instructions will be get executed after execution of ANL A comma hash 76H. Before execution, the content of accumulator, suppose 9AH, and the immediate data. So we are not using here any memories. So these things will be remain as before execution. Content of accumulator will be like this. So this is 9AH instead of 1, it is 9AH. So this is 9 and this is 1010, and this is 7 and this one is 76H. So this content will be logically ANDing. So after execution, the content of accumulator and the content of immediate data 76H will be logically ANDing. So this will give us 0 0, output will be 0, 1 1, output will be 1, 0 1, output will be 0, 1 0 0, any one input 0 0, both inputs are 1, output will be 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 0, again 1 0, again 0. So this is the output, that is 1, and this is 2. So 1 to H is the content, that result will be stored in accumulator. So accumulator content previously it was 9AH, now it becomes 1 to H after execution. Other things remains as it is, no flags are affected. Fourth instruction ANL A comma internal RAM address, logical AND operation between the content of accumulator and internal RAM memory. Description of this instruction. This instruction will perform logical AND operation between the content of accumulator and the internal RAM whose address is given by internal RAM address byte. After execution, the result is stored in accumulator. So this instruction having mnemonics ANL A comma internal RAM address. Description of this instruction. The content of internal RAM address is logically ANDing with content of accumulator. Result is stored in accumulator register. So the operation code is 55H. Direct addressing instruction. 2 byte needs to store this instruction. Flags are not affected. This instruction having mnemonics ANL A comma 66H. After execution, before execution, the scenario will be like this. The program memory 4K will be having the first address, that is operation code 55H, second address having content of random access memory 66H address, and the content of program counter will be now 0002H. So before execution it will be like this. So this is the random access memory, data memory 128 byte, 66 having A to H, and the content of accumulator will be 1BH. So this 1BH and A2H logically ANDing. Okay, so it will be like this. After execution, the 1 0 gives output 0, 1 1 gives output 1, 0 0 bit by bit operations, output will be 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 1 0, 0 0 0, and again 0 1 0. So the output will be 0 2. So 0 to H is the output, and that is stored in accumulator register. So this is having 0 to H. Previously it was 1BH, now it becomes 0 to H. Other things remains as it is. No flags are affected. Now the next instruction, ANL A comma @RI. Logical AND operation between the content of accumulator and the content of random access memory whose address is indirectly pointed by RI. Description of this instruction. This instruction will perform the logical AND operation between the content of accumulator and the internal random access memory whose address is given by the content of RI, means RI may be 0 or 1. After execution, the result is stored in accumulator register. Now if you observe, this is the instruction having RI means R0 or R1. When we write ANL A comma @RI R0, so this instruction having the operation code 56, and for R1 it is 57. Indirect addressing 1 byte instruction, no flags are affected. This instruction perform random access memory content indirectly pointed by R0, logically ANDing with accumulator, and result is stored in accumulator register. Similarly, content of accumulator register and the content of random access memory whose address is indirectly pointed by R1, they are logically ANDing with each other, and the result is stored in accumulator register. Let us see the mnemonics of this instruction. ANL A comma @R0. So the operation code will be 56H. So this is put in program memory, that is having the address and the name operation code 56H. 000H, that is 56H, and the second for the address of random access memory indirectly pointed by R0. So the content of program counter register will be again 0002. Before execution, the program status word registers this RS0 and RS1. This is 0 means bank 0 gets selected. Bank 0 having R0 to R7. R0 of this bank general purpose register R0 gives the address of random access memory indirectly, and that content A9H logically ANDing with the content of accumulator. So if you remember, 00 gives the address of bank 0 gets selected. In bank 0, R0 to R7, so this register general purpose registers are there, but R0 gives the address, whatever the content of R0, that gives the address of random access memory, data memory, that is 78H content A9H, and content of accumulator. These two get logically ANDing. So this is the content of accumulator, this is the content of random access memory indirectly pointed by R0, that is A9. The logical operation takes place like this. After execution, the content of operation will be like this: 0 0. So this is 0 1, output will be 0. 1 0, output will be 0. Again 0 0, output will be 0. 1 1, output will be 1. Bit by bit, 1 0, output will be 0. 0 1 0, 0 0 0, 1 1, output will be 1. So the result will be, what? Result will be 88H, and this 88H is stored in accumulator register. So this is the result stored in accumulator. Accumulator content change, this memory content not change. Okay, so this is the fifth instruction. Sixth instruction, ANL A comma R0, logical AND operation between the content of accumulator and RN, general purpose register. Description: this instruction will perform logical AND operation between the content of accumulator and general purpose register RN. RN may be R0 to R7. After execution, result is stored in accumulator register. This instruction having the mnemonics like this: ANL A comma R0. Let us take first register, the content of general purpose register, logically ANDing with accumulator, result is stored in accumulator. Having 58H operation code, register addressing 1 byte instruction, flags are not affected. This instruction having mnemonics like this: ANL A comma R0. This is put in program memory. So this is having operation code. This instruction having the operation code 58H needs one memory address 0001 and the address of R0 register stored in 0001. So the content of program counter now becomes 002H. Before execution, the content of this memory, that is a content of general purpose register, will be given by program status word register 00, RS0 and RS1 flag. When both are 00, bank 0 is selected, and bank 0 R0 register having the content A to H, and the content of accumulator here ABH. So these two content logically ANDing. So this is the content of accumulator. This is binary format A, binary format B in hexadecimal. Content of register R0, that is A 1010 and 2 10010. So these two get logically ANDing. After execution, the operation will be take place like this: 10 output will be 0, 11 output will be 1, 00 output will be 0, 10 output is 0, 00 output 0, 11 output is 1, 00 0, 11 1. So the output will be A to H. So this output is now stored in accumulator register. The content of accumulator change. So previously it was ABH, now it becomes A to H. So in this way this instruction get executed. Thank you student. What we study in this video lecture, that is logical AND operation. The logical AND operation between accumulator and internal random access memory, immediate data and general purpose register. Similarly, logical ANDing operation between random access memory, immediate data, accumulator and general purpose register. So I think you may understand this video lecture and all logical ANDing operation. If you have any queries, please contact my mail address sampardemse57@gmail.com, WhatsApp number 9860389302. Thank you student. We'll continue the next logical instruction in next video. Thank you.